video, I will teach you on how to cook a Filipino spaghetti. So guys, I will cook the spaghetti together with my mom. It's just a simple spaghetti for the birthday of my father. It is enough for the 5 of us because I don't have enough money to buy more than the 5 of us. Ah, it's so smoky in the kitchen! Woo! Okay, put some little oil and then noodles. That's it! While waiting for the texture of the spaghetti to be soft, let's slice muna the hot dog. Finally cooked na, so my mother just put it in the steamer to cool it down. Let's cook the hot dog because it's the sauce of spaghetti. Spaghetti is not complete without hot dog. It's already done. The spaghetti is officially cooked now, so we can start eat na. And sorry for not being able to vid my face because it's really smoky in the kitchen. It makes me tear up.